Today we turn our attention to a pivotal moment in time, the tragic incident surrounding Air India Express Flight 812. Join us as we unfold the events that transpired on that fateful day, exploring the challenges faced, the human stories that emerged, and the lasting impact on aviation safety. Through in-depth analysis and heartfelt storytelling, we aim to honor the memory of those affected and shed light on the lessons learned from Air India Express Flight 812. Subscribe, buckle up, and embark on a journey of discovery with us on Capt.chandan YouTube channel.
On May 22, 2010, Air India Express Flight 812, a routine passenger flight from Dubai to Mangalore, embarked on a journey that would later be etched in aviation history. The events that transpired during its approach to Mangalore International Airport were both tragic and eye-opening. To understand the full picture, let's set the stage. Flight 812 was a Boeing 737-800, a workhorse of the aviation industry known for its reliability. The passengers, many returning home, anticipated a routine landing at Mangalore. However, a sequence of events unfolded that would forever change the course of this flight. As Flight 812 descended for landing, it faced challenges arising from weather conditions and a shorter than usual runway at Mangalore. The aircraft overshot the runway, crashed, and broke into pieces. The impact resulted in a devastating loss of lives and left the aviation community grappling with crucial safety questions. The aftermath of Air India Express Flight 812 prompted investigations and discussions on pilot decision-making, airport infrastructure, and emergency response procedures. This incident wasn't just about the tragic loss. It became a catalyst for change in aviation safety protocols. Now, let's dissect the incident. Weather conditions. At the time of the incident, the weather conditions were challenging, with low visibility and heavy rain. These conditions can significantly impact a pilot's ability to execute a safe landing. Pilot error. The investigation revealed that the pilots attempted to land the aircraft without initiating a go-around. Despite encountering unstable approaches, the crew failed to discontinue the approach and execute a go-around, a crucial decision that could have averted the accident. Tabletop runway. Mangalore International Airport has a tabletop runway, which means it is situated on a plateau with steep drops at either end. This type of runway poses challenges, particularly during adverse weather conditions or when an aircraft lands with excessive speed. In the case of Flight 812, the aircraft overshot the runway, broke through the perimeter wall, and ultimately crashed into a gorge. The combination of these factors led to the tragic accident. As a result of this incident, various recommendations were made to improve aviation safety, including enhanced pilot training, improvements in crew resource management, and a reassessment of operational procedures for tabletop runways. Aviation authorities worldwide use such investigations to implement safety measures aimed at preventing similar accidents in the future. Conclusion. As we navigate through this somber but enlightening journey, we pay tribute to the lives lost on Air India Express Flight 812. By understanding the circumstances surrounding this incident, we can work towards a safer future for aviation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Air India Express Flight 812. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow aviation enthusiasts, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, this is your captain, signing off from our YouTube channel. Safe skies, everyone.